Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry King. I am Dr. H. K. Sinha, discussing reactions mechanism. Here, we will see different reactions of mechanism. So many examples are here. Already it is chlorobenzene and it is treated with sodamide. Amide ion is a strong base. So, hydrogen from here, ortho position, either from here or from here. Suppose hydrogen from here is abstracted by amide ion, leading to this benzene. Now, liquid ammonia is there as a solvent. Any solvent, if solvent is not present here, then some other reaction will take place. Benzene is a reactive intermediate. It is not a final product. If you don't take, mind it, if you don't take any solvent or any other reagent except amide, then reaction will stop here, and further as it is reactive, it will dimerize. We will see this reaction later on in the present lecture. Okay. Now it is liquid ammonia. Lone paraphyllactone is here. This ammonia may attack either at this carbon or at this carbon, leading to these two products. Here we have taken isotopic carbon here. It is isotopic carbon. If we don't take isotopic carbon, if all these 6 carbon atoms of benzene are equal, then one product is formed. If we take isotopic carbon here to which chlorine is attached, then two different products, although both are aniline, but here amino group is attached with isotopic carbon and here amino group is attached to the normal carbon, that is C12. Okay. Second reactions. When chlorobenzene is heated with KOH, a drastic condition should be there. Only then this benzene will form. Because potassium hydroxide is not as basic as amide. So, at high temperature and at high pressure, this hydroxide ion will abstract this hydrogen, leading to benzene. If water is taken as solvent here, then this water molecule will attack either at this carbon or at this carbon. The lone paraphyllactone is present on oxygen of water. Therefore, that lone paraphyllactone will attack either at here or at here, leading to phenol. Both conditions are same. 50% chance is to attack here and 50% chance is to attack here. Means प्यार का वादा 50-50, क्या है इरादा 50-50. You have obtained phenol. Okay. Third, it is substrate molecule. When this negative charge comes here, this bond will shift here and this bond will shift here, leading to benzene. Okay, leading to benzene. Here, if it is treated with magnesium, magnesium will come here because this bond this bond will break easily because bond length of this carbon bromine is greater than that of this. So magnesium will come here, leading to phenyl magnesium bromide, and benzene is formed. Here, if this substrate is heated with amide ion, this hydrogen is abstracted by that amide ion. Because hydrogen from here and chlorine from here will be removed, leading to this. There is no hydrogen here, therefore only option is this, that hydrogen from here is removed, leading to this benzene. And if you take triphenylmethane, it will attack, friends, it is benzene. This reagent, first of all, hydrogen will be eliminated and carbon ion will be here, negative charge will be here. That negative charge may attack either at this position or at this position. Attacking at here is sterically hindered due to this bulky group. Therefore, attacking at this carbon will lead to the minor product. It is minor. And here, this reagent with this carbon ion will attack at this carbon frequently, rapidly, easily, leading to this major product. Okay. Number 6. This is carboxylate and this is diazo group. These two are removed, leading to benzene. And if this reaction is very important, friends, number 6. If solvent is liquid ammonia, aniline is formed. Non-paraphylacton on nitrogen atom of ammonia will attack either at here or at here. If sodium hydroxide solution is there, OH will come here. Hydroxide ion will attack either at here or at here. If triphenylmethane is here, then it will first convert into carbon ion. Negative charge will be here. Hydrogen is removed as H plus, and this carbon ion will attack either at this carbon or at this carbon, leading to the same product, this. If methylamine is there, then non-paraphylacton on nitrogen atom will attack here, leading to this. And if methyllithium is there, friends, it is organometallic compound. Easily it is converted into lithium ion and methyl carbon ion. That methyl carbon ion is important. That will attack at this carbon of either this or this. Suppose this carbon of benzene, leading to this, and of course it will be negatively charged. Then if methyl carbon ion will attack here, CH3 minus, then it will break in this fashion. Positive charge will be here, negative charge will be here. So methyl will come here and lithium will come here. Okay, it is the product. If further it is heated with carbon dioxide, followed by hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, carboxyl group will enter here, leading to this product. Parachloroanisole gives two products. Parachloroanisole. Okay, it is parachloro. Chlorine is at para position. When it is heated with amide ion, then hydrogen will be abstracted either from here or from here. Means triple bond will be formed either at this position or at this position. Both positions are equivalent because chlorine is at para position to the methoxy group. Okay, suppose triple bond is here, and if liquid ammonia is there, that ammonia can attack either at this or at this, and both positions are equally, ammonia will attack here. chances of attacking of ammonia of attacking either at here or at here are equal almost, because very far from methoxy. Methoxy is bulky group, but this position is also very far from this. There is no steric effect of this methoxy group. Therefore, we can say that product will be 50-50. Chances of production of these two will be 50-50. Okay. Now, it is metachloroanisole. Metachloroanisole gives 3 products. Mind it, underline it. Parachloroanisole will give 2 products and metachloroanisole gives 3 products. Okay. This is metachloroanisole. When it is heated with sodamide, hydrogen, either hydrogen from here or from here, is abstracted by amide ion. If hydrogen, although chances of abstraction of hydrogen from this position is least, because it is bulky group, and approaching of amide ion at this carbon to abstract hydrogen is difficult due to steric hindrance. But even though triple bond may form here. So, if hydrogen from this carbon is removed, triple bond will be here. If hydrogen from this carbon is removed, triple bond will form here, leading to this or this. Okay. This will give 2 products. Suppose liquid ammonia is there, is here. Ammonia can attack either at this or at this carbon, leading to these 2 products. In the similar fashion, ammonia can attack either at this or at this, leading to this 2 products. And see here, it is meta-aminoanisole, it is para-aminoanisole, it is ortho-aminoanisole, it is meta-aminoanisole. These, so we have written here structure 1, and this is also structure 1, because these 2 structures are same and these 2 different. Therefore, 3 products are possible here. Here, when this substrate is heated with sodamide, deuterium from here is abstracted. One chance is also here. Hydrogen from this carbon may be removed, but heavier isotope will be removed first, because vibration of this bond is greater. We don't think on the ground of bond length. Here, due to heavier isotope, vibration of this bond is here. Therefore, this hydrogen will be abstracted, will be removed earlier, easily, giving rise to triple bond here. This. And now liquid ammonia is there. Ammonia will attack either at here or at here, leading to this aniline. Here, wow, it is benzene. If there is no solvent, 2 molecules of benzene will dimerize, leading to biphenyline. Here, it is benzene. If diene is there, Diels-Alder reaction will take place. This pi bond will shift in this fashion, this pi bond will shift in this fashion, and this pi bond will shift in this fashion, leading to this product. Okay, means it traps this benzene. In the similar fashion, this furan traps this benzene, and in the similar fashion, this anthracene will also trap this, leading to, it is also Diels-Alder reaction. Thank you. See you again.